Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong video
As long as these are not
posted by SMNI News Online. Caption, Luistro paulit-ulit na binara ni Escudero. Huwag ka ngang magbigay ng konklusyon sa investigasyon. Habang nagsasalita, may conclusion na siya, mabuti na lang magaling itong si Attorney Binloan. Ino-object niya kagad at magaling naman itong si Presiding Officer Escudero. Kaya paulit-ulit pinaalalahanan na do not state conclusions. Kaya nga, may trial pa eh. It is up for the senator judges to decide. Pinapangunahan sila ni Luistro. Ito, pakinggan natin ha.
Your Honor, the prosecution believes that we have sufficiently established that the threat to the President constitutes
Objection, Your Honor.
threat to the national
Again, Your
security.
Honor, inconsistent.
Counsel, you are once again reminded to kindly avoid
Yes, Your Honor.
conclusions of law. The question was simple, so I guess you will not conduct any further redirect.
Nonetheless, Your Honor, there are some manifestations that I would like to make.
As long as these are not conclusions of fact and law, Counsel, as
Yes,
you have
Your
been reminded and guided accordingly. You may proceed.
It is the position, Your Honor, of the prosecution that we have established
Objection, Your Honor. Again, this is a conclusion of fact and law, Your Honor.
Counsel, the counsel for respondent is correct. I will give the same limitation to whatever manifestations he will make in this regard. Let me do it for you. I guess you're not conducting any redirect anymore because
I
you're
have another
satisfied
manifestation, Your Honor.
and you're contented with the with the testimony given by the witness you presented. What is your second manifestation?
Nais ko lamang pong liwanagin, Your Honor, kaugnay ng affidavit ni Arturo Las Cañas. Ito po ay ipresenta ng prosekusyon bilang bahagi ng testimonya ng witness, kagaya na po ng sinabi ng presiding officer ng 3 ulit pinayagang ipresenta ang affidavit ni Las Cañas bilang bahagi ng testimonya at bilang bahagi ng naging investigation ng Special Task Force ng National Bureau of Investigation. It was never claimed by the prosecution that this affidavit is notarized. Kailanman po ay hindi sinabi ng prosecution na notarized ang dokumentong ito. Ito po'y ipresenta bilang bahagi lamang ng testimonya ng witness at bilang bahagi din ng investigation ng NBI. To conclude, Your Honor.
Short rejoinder on that, Your Honor.
The lead prosecutor is not yet finished.
To conclude, Your Honor, the prosecution finds it unnecessary.
Objection, Your Honor.
Allow the lead prosecutor to finish.
The prosecution finds it unnecessary to conduct redirect examination.
Thank you, counsel. Duly noted. Do
Just
you
a
still
short-
want a rejoinder,
Just a
counsel?
short rejoinder on the Las Cañas
Yes,
issue.
counsel.
Again, Your Honor, according to the rules, an affidavit must be testified to and identified by the person or the author of that affidavit. And in this case, such was not done. So, and an additional manifestation, Your Honor, that considering that it is unsigned and unnotarized, the law considers it as a mere scrap of paper. That's just a manifestation. And
Then let instead of letting this be an ongoing argument between both counsels, let the chair state.
Your Honor, may I just correct the manifestation
No
of the
need, counsel.
defense?
Let the chair state for the fourth time.
Fourth
The
time.
affidavit of Las Cañas was not offered as an authentic document executed by the affiant. Only that it was part of the documents used by Director Matibag in his open source investigation, as also clarified for the 5th time, if I will count it, by Senator Judge Lacson, that it was only part of the investigation of the NBI through what is called an open source investigation. Again, to reiterate, not as a proof of its authenticity and the truth of the contents contained in the affidavit or document purporting to be executed by Las Cañas.
And that it is signed, Your Honor.
Let that be the end of it, counsel, if you may. And we can proceed to the interventions and interjections of senator judges.
Your Honor,
fourth time, fifth time, Allah, gusto niyang idein, gusto niyang sabihin na, the prosecution believes that we have established strong evidence that the Vice President committed, parang threat to national security. Bakit daw? Dahil yon yung binasa ni Matibag sa papel, scrap of paper na allegedly galing kay Las Cañas. Nasaan si Las Cañas? Yung binabasang papel, hindi na pirmahan, hindi na na notarize. So, what kind? Talaga naman itong prosecution, no? Sinabugan ng, I don't know, kautso-utsuhan. Kabaliktaran dito sa defense, sinabugan ng katalinuhan. Kaya, nakakatawa talaga ito. Tapos, i-claim nila na maganda yung testimony ni Matibag, hindi nila kayang natibag. Sa mga nagmamasid, kung nakikinig ka lang sa impeachment trial tapos you have a balanced mind, makikita mo walang kakredibilidad si Matibag. Dahil wala siyang personal knowledge doon sa mga pangyayari. Dahil bago lang siya na-appoint na NBI director. Dinagdagan nila ng Las Cañas document. Hindi naman notarasado, hindi naman napirman. Di lalo silang nabulilyaso. Kaya again, pasalamat tayo. Papasalamat ako sa galing ni Senator Escudero as presiding officer. Mabuhay po kayo, Senator Escudero. Salamat sa mga pagsubaybay nyo, mga kaibigan, sa channel ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video nito.
Karon mauna ni ang gipatindog nga balay sa gitabangan na Muugero. Sumuna ni ang iyang pag-aatupan karon. So mo na ni ang ngero nga among gihatag nga iyang etop karon ani. O karon humanagid sa pag-atop ang among ginatabang nga yero. So makita nato humanagid sila sa ilang pag-atop ani.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga kuan gihatagan ni Gracia dinhi karon nga among natukod karon atupan ra gyud.
So
Sudaghan among pasalamat sa tao nga gigamit sa Ginoo nga mo'y naghatag dinhi nga kuan Gracia. Salamat mi sa Ginoo nga gihimo ni instrumento nga kanang lawasa. Mo'y mutabag sa tanang katawhan dinhi sa bukid dinhi sa.
so pila na ni siya kabulan nga imong gitukod bago pa natupan?
Tulo na ni kabulan nga natukod dinhi karon.
Duha na kabulan. So ngano man sa duha ka bulan wala ka nakaatop?
Tungod kay pagka wala gyud karon. Isod kay pangitaon ng kwarta.
Oo.
Nga ika
Atop.
abag-abag aning kuan.
So salamat kayo.
Salamat pod